Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam Tools no internet connection error that appears when you're downloading, installing, or launching a game. A few days ago, I uploaded another tutorial about this issue. While that method worked for many people, some users have recently reported that it no longer works. This is because Steam Tools has had some server-side changes, so an updated method is now needed. Let's get started. First, open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, then temporarily turn Real-Time Protection off. Next, click the Start menu, search for PowerShell, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Once PowerShell opens, paste the command that I'll pin in the comments below, then press Enter. The command will take a few moments to complete. During this process, it will download and install the required Steam Tools components on your system. Just wait until it finishes. After the process is complete, restart Steam. Once Steam opens again, the no internet connection error should be fixed, and you should be able to download, install, or launch your games without any problems. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.